Hey guys, it's Subhi Star. Today I'm going to be doing a different video and I'm going to teach you how to solve the Pythagorean Theorem by using a simple real-world example. So basically there's this kitty and oh no, it's trapped on a bookshelf and we have to save it. To save it, we have many different types of ladders of different sizes, and we have to find the perfect size ladder in order to save the kitty from the top of the bookshelf. We are going to do this by using the Pythagorean Theorem, and I hope you guys like this video. So we should know that the height of the bookshelf is 15 feet, and the length from the bookshelf to the start of the ladder is going to be 5 feet. So using this information, we need to find how long the ladder needs to be in order to save the kitten. So this is a right triangle. Pythagoras' theorem only works for right triangles, and the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now c squared is the hypotenuse, which is pretty much always the longest side of the triangle. So this is our hypotenuse, which is what we need to find, the length of the ladder. And in this case, a squared is going to be the height. So let's just jot that down. The a squared should be 15 feet. So 15 squared plus b squared, aka the base, is going to be 5 squared, since the base is 5. So it's right now we have 15 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared, which is what we're trying to find, aka the hypotenuse of the right triangle. So to find c squared, first we need to simplify these values. So 15 squared is 225 and 5 squared is 25. So now we have simplified the exponents and made them a little bit easier to work with. So 225 plus 25 is c squared. So now we shall combine like terms, and obviously 225 plus 25 is 250. So 250 is c squared. And to find the actual c, aka the hypotenuse, we need to find the square root of 250 in order to cancel the exponent there. So the square root of 250, let's go ahead and simplify that. So 250 is nothing but 25 multiplied by 10, and coincidentally, 25 just happens to be 5 squared. It's a perfect square. So 5 squared multiplied by 10. Now let's simplify that further. We know that if there's anything by the power of 2 inside of square root, it automatically gets canceled out. If we had any variable like x squared and we put it in a square root, the exponent, the squared, would be canceled, and so would the square root, leaving us with just x. Similarly, if we put the 5 squared outside of the square root, that would leave us with just 5 multiplied by the square root of 10. And that leaves us with our hypotenuse. 5 times the square root of 10 is our hypotenuse, also known as 15.8, and it goes on and on and on. And that's how you solve the Pythagorean theorem using a real-world example. We saved the kitty. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this math tutorial and liked this video if you want me to do more. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below on what other tutorials you want to see. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!